what do we see? We saw that developers can choose any platform, if it's Android or iOS or web or Unity. We saw that content creators need no technical skills. Everything we did in the beginning was very, very non-technical. You just kind of drag and drop assets and they just work. And then Echo builds, stores, and delivers all the data to any device out there. And again, we saw different examples if it's a game engine or mobile devices and web and mobile, you name it. We saw the developers basically save time and money of building applications. We saw the content creators need no technical skills, and we saw companies that basically can scale data all over the world by just tagging information and streaming it through kind of a network of servers that are already kind of defined for you. We discussed the different use cases of augmented reality and virtual reality, if it's surgery and shopping and tourism and ads and data visualization and kind of try before you buy and e-commerce. And we saw the inspiration page was filled with amazing examples our community have built. So really, really cool stuff. A little bit more about us, the company. We won a bunch of awards and we're kind of backed by some of the most amazing investors in the country, like Convoy Ventures and Reimagine Ventures and Space Capital and Techstars and Verizon. And we're there for every kind of major tech event. So if kind of, things go back to normal or you're traveling for a conference, definitely find our team and say hello. I'm going to be at South by Southwest in March. So if someone is there, please come and say hello. Yeah, we love to see at Echo that we kind of empower developers to build applications anywhere on any platform. So this is definitely the time to build. This is the time that everyone's talking about the metaverse and what's your metaverse strategy and how you're building applications and how you're injecting 3D content into your industry. You should definitely do that. And you should definitely register today to kind of get an API key, do everything we just did today, upload content, stream it everywhere and play around with it. Thank you so much for inviting me to speak. This is basically all I wanted to cover today. If you have any more questions, happy to answer them. But this was definitely so much fun to kind of show you Echo, go through it, answer questions, and kind of do a technical demo as well. So thank you so much and kind of start building.
Cool, thank you, Alan.